Easy now, girl. Good and steady. That's it. Fill her up. Here you go, kitty. Fresh milk. You're having fun, aren't you? That's it. Run free. Such a happy little buddy. Easy there, buddy. Got your rope. Good horse. Yeehaw! Giddy up, partner! Keep on going. We're almost there. This is living the dream. Time to water the crops. All done. All right, buddy, let's take a slow walk. Beautiful day for a stroll. All right, time to lock up the stable. There we go, all locked and secure. All right, duckies, to the pool. That's it, keep up.
Quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack, quack.
Hello there, little one. I love you so much. Yes, you're safe with me. All right, goats, keep it moving. That's it, right into the barn. Good work, team. All right, fresh hay for you all. There you go, enjoy. Hey there, little one. You're so special to me. Yes, you are. Such a good little goat. Easy now, my friends.
So good. More, please.
There's plenty for all. Hey, you like that, don't you? All right, one more splash. Well, now, look at these fine eggs.
Gobble, gobble.
Whoa there, easy, big fella.
All right, all right.
There you go, standing tall and proud. Gobble, gobble. That's the way. This steak is going to be delicious. Here you go, my little friends. Eat up now. What do we have here? A new chick, welcome. One more for the basket. That's a good dozen now. What a beautiful day on the farm. These eggs look perfect.